pump drive motor, one of these. Small bending section. Lunchy. Why lunch? This way, so. We also had 3 belts come off through the night. Peter, David. This is making a bit of a noise. This drive motor.